A judge had to decide if Mendoza is a threat to society or to the alleged victim in this case, ultimately ruling that an ankle monitor wouldn't be good enough. Patrick Mendoza walking into court today, seen in public for the first time since his arrest. The 54-year-old is accused of firing shots in the middle of Hanover Street in the North End at a man he's had problems with for years. New video shows one of those bullets hitting Modern Pastry, but missing Rocco Giovanello, the man he was already on probation for assaulting.
This live issue of was he on probation or was he not on probation is muddying the waters, because at the end of the day, if probation terminated that day, the first thing Mr. Mendoza chose to do was to seek this person out and fire a shot at him.
The owner of Monica's Trattoria appearing for a dangerousness hearing to determine if he should be let out of jail. His defense attorney arguing after the licensing board revoked its ability to serve liquor yesterday, he is his wife and 4 children's only source of income.
For him then to say now that there's no set of circumstances that will allow him to assist his family and support both his family, his children, and the 25 employees, I think is something that the judge has under consideration right now.
That impacts city processes as well in terms of whether someone is fit or eligible and qualified to be able to run an establishment.
Mendoza's family, who have long fought with the city over outdoor dining policies in the North End, were also in court supporting him.
There's a lot more to this case than meets the eye.
Now, the judge ultimately ordered Mendoza held without bail for 120 days as this case plays out. Live at Boston Municipal Court, I'm Peter Eliopoulos, WCVB News Center 5.